In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect and restrict editing of your document in Microsoft Word, ensuring that your content is secure and that only the text you choose remains editable. This process can be particularly useful when you're sharing important documents that should not be altered, such as contracts or finalized reports. Firstly, let's start by opening the Microsoft Word document you'd like to work with. Make sure that all the text you want to protect is already in place, and that everything is exactly how you want it to be. Once your document is open, you'll want to head to the File tab located in the top left corner of your screen. This tab serves as your main hub for document settings and options, so it's the perfect place to start when trying to secure your document. After you click on the File tab, a new menu will appear. Here you'll want to select Info, which will bring up various options related to your document's properties and permissions. Within the Info section, there's a prominent button labeled Protect Document. Clicking this button allows you to decide how others can interact with your document. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Restrict Editing. This is where you begin to control how others might interact with your document. When you click this option, a task pane will appear on the right side of your screen. This dialog box is where you'll set the editing restrictions. In the task pane, you'll see an option that says, Allow only this type of editing in the document. By ticking this option, you're setting the rules for what kind of changes can be made to your document. From the drop-down menu next to it, select No Changes, Read Only. By doing this, you essentially lock the document, preventing unwanted edits while granting you a degree of control over what remains editable. Now, in some cases, there may be specific portions of your document that you'd like others to edit, such as areas where signatures or comments are required. To enable this, simply highlight the text you wish to keep editable. Once you've made your selection, look under Exceptions. Here, you'll find a checkbox labeled Everyone. By checking this box, you permit all users to edit only the selected sections of your document, while all other parts remain protected. Once you're happy with these settings, your task is complete. Just ensure that your document is saved to retain these newly applied restrictions. Going through these steps ensures that your document remains intact and secure, granting editing privileges only where absolutely necessary. And there you have it, a secure way to manage your Microsoft Word documents without the worry of unwanted changes. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.